everyone! Welcome back to Behind the Barcode. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super important for our health: calcium. If you're looking to cut back on milk or just want to explore some delicious alternatives, you're in the right place. Let's discover 5 calcium superstar foods that can easily replace milk in your diet. But first, let's learn a little about why got milk? When pertaining to cow's milk may not be the question you should be asking yourself. While cow's milk has long been touted as a staple in many diets, recent research suggests it might not be the best option for everyone. From lactose intolerance affecting a significant portion of the population to concerns about hormones and antibiotics in dairy farming, many are questioning the health benefits of this traditional beverage. Most people around the world are actually lactose intolerant, meaning they lack the enzyme lactase needed to properly digest lactose, the sugar found in cow's milk. While some populations have adapted to tolerate milk, the majority experience bloating, gas, or discomfort after consuming it. Cow's milk is also designed to rapidly grow calves, not nourish adult humans. It can contribute to inflammation, acne, and digestive issues in sensitive individuals. For many, plant-based alternatives are a gentler and more sustainable choice. Cow's milk is significantly less sustainable due to the high environmental costs of dairy farming. It requires large amounts of water, land, and feed. Dairy production often involves intensive farming practices that strain ecosystems and deplete natural resources. Additionally, some studies indicate that the high saturated fat content in whole milk could contribute to heart health issues. As we explore alternatives, it's essential to consider not just the nutritional aspects, but also the ethical and environmental impacts of dairy consumption. Let's dive into why you might want to rethink that glass of milk and discover some delicious calcium-rich alternatives. First up, we have leafy greens. Foods like kale, collard greens, and bok choy are not only packed with calcium, but also loaded with vitamins and minerals. Did you know that just 1 cup of cooked kale can provide about 10% of your daily calcium needs? Plus, they're super versatile. Add them to smoothies, salads, or stir-fries. Leafy greens are also one of the most sustainable food choices. They grow quickly, require relatively little water and land, and produce a high yield per acre. Because they can often be grown locally and even year-round in some climates, they also reduce the carbon footprint associated with long-distance food transport. Next on our list are almonds. These crunchy nuts are a fantastic source of calcium. Just a handful of almonds can give you around 76 milligrams of calcium. You can enjoy them as a snack, sprinkle them on your oatmeal, or even make your own almond milk at home. It's creamy, delicious, and a great milk alternative. Almonds are nutrient-dense and offer healthy fats, but they require a significant amount of water to grow, especially in drought-prone areas like California, where most U.S. almonds are produced. While they're plant-based and shelf-stable, their overall sustainability is often debated due to their high water usage and environmental impact. Coming in at number 3 is tofu. This plant-based protein is not only versatile, but also a calcium powerhouse. Depending on how it's processed, tofu can contain up to 400 milligrams of calcium per serving. You can stir-fry it, add it to soups, or even blend it into smoothies for a protein boost. Tofu is a sustainable protein source made from soybeans, which generally require less land and water than animal agriculture. Its production generates significantly fewer greenhouse gas emissions compared to meat, making it an environmentally friendly choice for plant-based diets. Fourth on our list are chia seeds. These tiny seeds are a nutritional powerhouse packed with calcium, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds can provide about 179 milligrams of calcium. You can add them to smoothies, make chia pudding, or sprinkle them on your yogurt for a delicious crunch. Plus, they absorb liquid and create a fun texture. Chia seeds are a sustainable crop that requires minimal water and grows well in arid climates, making them environmentally efficient. Their long shelf life and nutrient density also reduce food waste, making them a smart and eco-friendly addition to a plant-based diet. And last but not least, let's talk about fortified plant-based milks. Almond, soy, oat, and coconut milks are often fortified with calcium, making them a great alternative to traditional dairy. Just 1 cup can provide as much calcium as cow's milk, around 300 milligrams. Be sure to check the labels to find the best options. You can use these in your coffee, cereal, or even in baking. Plant milks like almond, oat, and soy typically require fewer resources than dairy milk, including less land and water. They also produce far less greenhouse gas emissions. Their lower environmental footprint makes them a more sustainable choice for those looking to reduce their impact on the planet. So next time you reach for that carton of cow's milk, consider these delicious, nutritious, and eco-friendly alternatives. Leafy greens pack a calcium punch, almonds and chia seeds are full of healthy fats, tofu is a protein powerhouse, and plant milks come in every flavor imaginable. By swapping just one habit, you're not only fueling your body with cleaner choices, you're also helping build a more sustainable future. Small changes add up. Your health and the planet will thank you. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help you meet your calcium needs without relying on milk from a cow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. What's your favorite calcium-rich food? Let me know in the comments below. If you try any of these alternatives, share your experience with us. Be sure to check out one of our other videos to learn more whole and organic food bliss. Until then, be sure to always look behind the barcode.